Hello, dear Yu-Gi-Oh community, and thanks for tuning in to another video on my channel. This is Sarasu TCG as always, and we have my favorite set of this year so far, the legendary Duelists Season 3. Look at that, look at all that beauty and madness packed in one display. Oops, my camera goes. We have 8 boxes per display. I quickly gonna open all of these because it would take too long to open them in between. I'm gonna open all of these, take the packs out. Hopefully I do not spoil myself with the promo cards, and I'll be right back. Alright, here you have it. A lot of packs, a lot of dice and a lot of promo cards. I gotta say, these black dice look very nice. With the Dark Magic Circle, I guess, was the card. This is Elemental Hero Neos. Here we have the Chunk Synchro, whatever. Here with the Hero symbol. And one with the Dark Magician Girl. 3 black, 2 blue, 2 orange and 1 red. Alright, start with the first pack. So any card that's related to Bakura is awesome. I'm very glad if I get anything that has to do with Bakura, and this is the absolute right set for that. The Ultimate Earthbound Immortal. Yeah, we start right off with a Bakura card, Spirit Message N. Oh, and the Dark Sanctuary, very nice. The Earthbound High Priest, the Earthbound Immortal Reborn, probably. Destiny Board, very nice. Tribute to the Immortal. Zupei. Our first ultra rare, the Chaos Command Magician. Oh boy, this is so cool. This is so cool. Originally from Magician's Force. Oh man. Oh man. That's awesome. That's really awesome. Then we have the Künstlerkumpel Himmlischer Magier. Alright. No clue what that is. And the Evil Hero Malicious Bane. Oh, he's absolutely very evil. I had to play against him a few times. He can get very annoying. Nice with a red font here. HD Hot probably. The Hot Heart, I don't know. Pendle Dimension, Raubpaar Fusion, the Winged Karibo, Magician's Rod, Kunstmarionette, and Hero Lives. Alright. That was already a very nice pull. Gimmick Marionette Terror Baby. Alright. Oh, the Necrophrase is also near. Necrophrase. Very good card. The Earthbound Immortal Scream. Oh, the Augen. Very nice. Very nice. No special summon, my boys. No special summon. Gimmick Marionette Porzellanpuppe. The Earthbound Immortal Wariquacharaska. My head stick is not that good. Oracle der Sonne. And here we have the Evil Hero Wild Cyclone. This is as the Phoenix card. Yes, it is. Yes, it is indeed. Then we have the, oh, Barry can read that name, number C40, Gimmick Marionette of the Dark Strings, probably. Looks cool. And you got 3 monsters of level 9. A little bit hot to summon, right? And the Dark Magician Girl with red font again. And this, wasn't that the Shonen Champ design? Probably? I don't know. Und euer Zaubererdrache. Next Generation. Die Righteous, whatever. Zukunftsschwung. Lebensheld. Einiger Notruf. Unomatu Aufgriff. And number C14. C15, sorry. Gimmick Marionette. Riesiger Jäger. Giant Hunter. Okay. Effect is not that bad, but a little bit hot to summon. Let's see what the first promo card is. I knew that there's a secret rare Curse Necrophilia. This would be the best promo card we could actually get. Alright. Okay, it's Spieldrache der Hoppy and Feuerball. Okay, this is evolution of the Hoppy's pet dragon. Interesting. Is this new? Was this printed before? Can't recall that I've seen this ever before. Alright. No Curse Necrophilia, but we hope this would be absolutely the best pull here. Curse Necrophilia in secret. What can you ask more? Dark Spirit's Mastery, played that a lot. Monddrache Quilla, the Earthbound Immortal Chkapak Apu. Oh, the Death Sentence. Destiny Board. Sonnendrache Inti, Supay, die Abenddämmerungsläuferin. Earthbound Immortal Scream. Stimmen, this is for Synchro, yes. Nice Ultra. Nice. Again, a Dark Magician Girl with a violet or blue font. And a Raubpflanze Chimeraflesia. Okay. I take it. Don't know if this is good or not. Circle of the Magicians, Magician's Rod, a Hero Lives, Dark Illusion Magic, the high magic guy thing, Profusion. Oh my god, I don't pronounce that. Onomatu Aufgriff. I won't pronounce that. No. Earthbound Whirlwind, probably. Burg des Obersten Königs. Monddrache Quilla, Evil Hero Infernal Gainer. Feueramase SiCaTra. Interesting. Yeah. Nice one. Didn't know this is in here. Soma the Spirit. Good trap monster. The first ultra rare is the Synchron, whatever, you know what it is. One Evil Hero Inferno Wing, alright. And one Apprentice Illusion Magician. Did you see? It's mostly like a scheme here, what we follow. The first ultra rare always gold. The second ultra rare was until now always violet, and the third was always red. Until now. Could be wrong. Rechtschaffen Sozial, Nebenweltraum, Aquadolphin, Eilenotrum, Schwarze Hunger, heißes Herz, Raubplanung, alright. Lächelaktion, and the Fast Synchron. Probably not the correct pronunciation. Or translation. In that case. Oh, damaged the card. My fault. Dark Calling? Maybe? Supay, Gimmick Marete Porzellanpuppe. Earthbound Immortal Reborn, Feueramase SiCaTra, Spirit Message L, Earthbound Whirlwind. That's pretty, basically, Hoppy's Festlaster. Oh, that's a cool one. Dearbound Colonel. Very nice. I also played this in a fun deck. This is actually a very fun card. No one is expecting this one. Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy. Never heard or seen this before. SiCaTra Morgendämmerungsläufer. And again these fast synchron, I don't know. Wonder Fusion, Pendel Dimension, Magier, Raubphonie, Hungergift Fusion Dragon, Starving Venom Fusion Dragon. Alright, we would translate that, right? Yes. Next Generation, Starving Venom Fusion Dragon, in German would be Hungergift Fusionsdrache. If anyone is interested how this sounds in German. Let's see what the next promo card is before we get carried away with the packs. It's, oh my god. Oh boys. Here is the absolute best pull in my opinion. Pull, it's not a pull, but the best card you can get here in this set. The Curse Necrophilia. Oh my god. Gonna love that. Love that a lot. Best card. One of my favorite cards to play. Absolutely. Oh, nice. Very nice. My day is secured now. Okay, let's continue. Spirit Message L. Earthbound Geoglyph, Orakel des Sonnendrach Inti, Evil Hero Malicious Fiend, Supei die Abendläuferin, Burg des obersten Königs, Künstlerkumpel himmlischer Magier, again, we had that before. Gerümpelumformer, don't know about that, and Evil Hero Lightning Golem. Okay, this is all, again, a card from Esther Phoenix. Cool. Nice. Schnellsynchron, Rapppflanze Drachus Stapelia. Oversoul. Rapppflanze Tablatatudra. Die Starving Venom Fusion Dragon again. You know what it is? Giving Magneti Gigantopuppe. Okay. 4. And Illusion Magic. Oh. $18 cards per pack. But I guess you already realized that. Gimmick Marinette Porzellanpuppe. Opfer für die Stimmen. Oh, nice. Nice. Need those. Dark Spirit of Banishment. Auferstehung der Unsterblichen. Evil Hero Malicious Edge. Earthbound Immortal Scream. Dark Spirit of Malice. Nice. Give me those Dark Spirits. Destiny Board. The Apprentice Illusion Magician. Okay. Sangan, yes. Yes, I was hoping for this one. I really was hoping for this one. I don't know if there's actually a ultra rare print of Sangan already. I don't know. But I mean, you know, Sangan. Classic for gold. Absolutely nice. Very nice. I'm very happy. I hope I get a few more of those. And Gerumpelumformer. Satellitensynchron Raubphonie Nummer Z88. Sie ist. Heldensignal Raubpflanze Helium Phorinchus. Alright. Next Generation and Hero Lives. Okay. Orakel des Sonne. Dark Sanctuary, nice. Earthbound Immortal Uru. Dark Spirit of Malice. Earthbound Immortal Chacharaya. Probably. Earthbound Immortal Chapak Apu. Earthbound Immortal Chaku Chalhua. Oh my god. Okay. Stimmen again. Combination of the Magicians. Oder Magic Combination. And die Künstlerkuppel himmlischer Magier. Alright. Gagaga Magier. Pendel Dimension. Singer Magicians Navigate. Raubpflanze Taublatudra. Hero Blitz. Die Winged Gribo. And the Secrets of Dark Magic. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool card. I read through it really fast. Let's do a double promo review. Should we? Let's do right first. It's Soul Servant, probably Seelendiener. Soul Servant, okay, with the Dark Magician on it. Is this something special? I'm not sure. Definitely looks cool. And the other promo is... Oh my god! Another curse necrophilia. Oh boy. If you get 3, this would be amazing. Place it, but I won't open these. I'm very sure I keep these sealed because, you know, just an absolute cool card. Alright. Yeah, the day gets better and better. Next 18 cards. The Earthbound Immortal Chaku Chualha. Spirit Message E. Earthbound Immortal Chusilu. Evil Hero Infernal Sniper. The Doom Caliber Knight. Is that what his name? Dark Fusion. This thing. Gimmick Marinette Porzellanpuppe. Praktik. Okay, I glaube, this was Predator Practice. Wasn't that the translation? Okay, can't read that. The Dark Illusion Magician. Okay. And SiCaTra Morgendämmerungsläufer. What is this? This is also for the... Yes, it is probably for the Earth Monumental. SiCaTra sounds very Inca-like. Number Z15. Predaplan Taublat Hydra. Predaplan Fusion. Winged Kuribo. Kunstmanette, Gimmickmanette, Gigantopuppe. And Overzone. Overzone. Nice. Dark Spirits Mastery. Oracle der Sonne. Dark Sanctuary, very nice. Earth Monumental. Doctor of Malice, definitely need this one. Earth Monumental Chacharawahawahaya. Earth Monumental Chapak Ahu. The Dark Illusion Magician. Cool. It looks cool. Predator Practice, I guess, again. And the Magician's Combination. Probably. Raubpflanze Kragensomtau. Probe des Magiers. Raubpflanze Helium von Schuss. SiCaTra, Next Generation Magier. Living Celt. And this Dark Illusion Magician thing. Very high pay staple of commons already. 9 packs are left, 6 packs and 4 promos. So this we will another promo now. Oh, that was a fail. Okay, what do we have? Kaiserglider, the golden whatever. No, that's a quick effect. That's interesting. That's interesting. He looks cool. I know the original Kaiserglider from Dark Crisis. And the Neo Kaiserglider, and we got another Kaiserglider. Cool. SiCaTra. Take it. Take it or leave it. We can't take it. Okay. Tribute to the Immortal. Spirit Message E. Auferstehung im sterblichen Sonnendrang Inti. Evil Hero Dark Gaia. Oh, this was back in the day. The OTK card. Earthbound Geoglyph, Evil Hero Malicious Edge, the Death Sentence, Dark Magician Girl again, the 5000th reprint of it, probably. Again. And Evil Hero Adusted Gold. Cool. Looks like a little bit like the Captain Gold. Wasn't the Captain Gold was also this was the Searcher for Skyscraper, wasn't it? I don't know. Schnellsynchron, Eisenschrott-Signal, Satellitensynchron, Synchrojagd, Raubplanung, Heldensignal und Raubpflanze Kragen Sonnentau. So. Evil Hero Malicious Edge, Feuermeister SiCaTra, the Death Sentence, the Evil Soul, the Soma the Spirit. What is that? Wenn ein Monster das Gehen des Angriffs erklärt, du bestimmst das Aussehen. That's cool. That's not bad. Dark Spirits Mastery. Earthbound Great High Priest. Raubpflanze Chimera Rafflesia. Sounds like some you would eat at a fine restaurant. Grümpelumwurmer and Stimmen. Okay. Raubplanung, Heldensignal, heißes Herz, Robert Myers, Rechnation, Skyscraper und Onomato Aufgriff. Okay. Not so many packs left. The Evil Soul. The whatever. The High Priest again. Dark Fusion. Oracle of the Sun. Earthbound Immortal Scream. Earthbound Immortal Uru. The Grümpelumwurmer. Alright. The Elemental Hero Honest Neos. This is a cool card. Absolutely. But it's not really, you know, playable. It is playable, but it doesn't make much sense. Yeah, anyway, but it's a cool card, definitely. And the Magician's Combination again. Robert des Magiers, Raubpflanze, Helium, Folinchus, Skyscraper, Next Generation, Gakaka, Magician, Lieblingshelden, Magier der dunklen Illusion und Number C15. Whatsoever. Promo. Let's do another promo. Elemental Hero Sunrise. Okay. Was this in the anime? I can't remember. 2 elemental hero monsters with different attributes. Okay. I take it. Looks cool. Spirit Message E. Auferstehung der Unsterblichen, Earthbound Whirlwind, Sundrache Inti, Evil Hero Dark Gaia, Monddrache Quilla, Earthbound Geoglyph, and Magician's Souls. Isn't that correct? Yeah, Magician's Souls. Cool. Satellitenkrieg, Satellite Warrior. Also nice. And oh, that's cool. Magician of Chaos. He looks badass. Like him. Not gonna pronounce that. Oversoul, Schnellsynchron, Eisenschrott-Signal, rechtschaffenes Urteil, Satellitensynchron, Synchro-Jagd in der heiligen Notruf. Should we do a promo again? Yeah, let's do it. It's Elemental Hero, whatever soldier. Can't pronounce Schwungvoll. Okay. I guess I saw that in the Master Duel. I think so. Okay. I take it. Earthbound Immortal Chaku Chalhua. Evil Soul. Finally, Spirit Message A. Didn't pull one Spirit Message A before. Earthbound Immortal Chuzilu. Probably not. Evil Hero Dark Gaia. Earthbound High Priest. Gimmick Directed Terror Baby. Schnellzieh Synchron. Dark Magic Circle. Alright, okay. And again, Honest Neos. Okay. New Spacian Aqua Dolphin, Eisenschutz-Signal, Hellsignal, Satellitensynchron, Synchrojagd, Marionettenparade, Predator Plant, Draco Stampelia. Okay. And Lächelaktion. Okay. Smiling action, probably not. And the last pro is Predator Plant Trufio Verutum. Okay. Why not? Okay. I remember this was from LED5, I guess. I pulled a few from LED5, but I don't have them. I traded them away because I had no use for them. Probably gonna keep this because it's sealed, it's a promo card, and SiCaTra, you know, SiCaTra is my favorite rarity, so it's always a little bit of a I have always a little bit of a hard time giving away my SiCaTras, even if I have no use for them, but it's a SiCaTra, you know? You understand it. Ultimative Eckgebundene Unsterbliche, Eckgebundene Unsterbliche wiederbelebt. Earthbound Immortal, Tribute to the Immortal. Earthbound Whirlwind, Earthbound Immortal Chakarahuaya. Auferstehung der Sterblichen, Mondrai Quilla. Again, the 10,000 Dark Magician Girl. Stimmen and Gernio. What the hell is he doing in here? Gernio. Okay. I did not expect this one, but nice to see it. You know, pretty old card. Einigen Odruf. Oh Gott, no. The Hot Heart, probably not. Hero Blitz, Living Cell, and Magician Navigation, whatever. Alright, oh my god. Look at, now you can't see actually. Look at this pile of cards. Well, but there are a lot of cards you actually need. All the Dark Spirits, the Spirit Message, and so on. All what's related to Yami Bakura. And of course, guys, we got 2 times Curse Necrophilia. Now I'm ready to send anyone I want to the Shadow Realm. Absolutely, Bakura will be proud of me. And with that, I'm gonna finish this video with my usual words. Goodbye, and until next time.